Hello and welcome to DIY Lawn Care. No, I am not outside. I am in my shower right now, but figured since we're talking about DIY, I might as well share this with you too. I had a showerhead go out about 2 years ago, and we have two dual showers, and I just didn't know what it was, didn't really take a look at it. Other than going, okay, well, water's barely coming out. Maybe there's a leak. You're just thinking, I don't want to deal with this. And then finally, the other shower head looked like it was going to start to go bad. So I decided to go to Home Depot and found these that were pretty relevantly close to what we have with a chrome look. I'll share a link to it, but these are Glacier Bays. I really like these because the other ones just have the shower head. And these ones actually have the hand shower tool too, which I thought was really cool. I want to say it was like $84 somewhere in there, close to $100 for each one. But yeah, replacing them super easy. Should have done it a long time ago. And I don't want you guys to go through the same thing I do. But yeah, so first, make sure your water is off. You don't have to turn off the main water, just the water that turns the shower on and off. Turn it off. Take the shower head off. Put thread. Put new thread on because it keeps it from having the leaks. Once you wrap that around the pipe, then put the diverter on. The diverter has two functions. It turns on the shower head to the hand shower head. And then also it's to hold the handheld shower head. So once you install that, there's going to be 2 points. One lead is to the hose that goes to the handheld shower head, and then the other one is to the shower head itself. So thread both of those, attach the hose, do another thread on the end of the hose, then connect the handheld, and then once you connect the handheld hand shower, then now connect the shower head, and that's it. Just make sure you're tight. I mean, it says do it by hand. I tightened it with a wrench to make it a little bit tighter just in case. Turn the water on, there was no leaks. That's what you need to check for. And that's it. It took me about 30 minutes. Yeah, so like I said, I know this has nothing to do with lawn care, but it is still DIY lawn project, or a DIY project. And I thought I would share for you guys to save you some time. If you found this relevant, please click subscribe, like, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.